Hey everyone, say you're traveling and different members of the family or different people in your car will have different devices. That's very common. So this particular item here called iHaper is going to allow you to take a micro USB cable and turn it into an iPhone cable, the Lightning, as well as micro USB, as well as the USB Type-C. So with this particular device, you have all of it covered. So here's the back, and it's going to give you the model number, and the length of this cable is 3 feet 3 inches, and it can be used pretty much with any micro USB, any Lightning, or any USB-C type of connector, which is great. We're going to unbox this, and we're going to charge up this iPhone here, this iPhone 6s Plus, using this cable. Generally in my car, I keep my USB-C as well as a regular USB cable. So normally I wouldn't have an iPhone cable, but now I can replace these two cables with just one cable to allow me to cover all three types of devices all with one cable, which is nice. So we're going to open this package up right now, and we're going to pull the item out. The cable itself is a very nice braided cable. The feel and quality is really nice here. It's kind of like a shoelace material. On the one side you have the full-size USB, and on the other side, you're going to have a micro USB. It's iHaper is the model here. And there's going to be a USB connector that can go on, as well as the Lightning cable. So underneath the USB that was on there, you're going to see your micro USB cable right there. So you can use either one of these adapters right over to the top of the micro USB, and it'll convert it from the micro USB to either USB-C or to the Lightning cable. So it gives you that option to charge any of the devices you want with one cable. So we're going to go ahead and plug this in right now and test it out to charge the iPhone that I just showed you. And as you can see there, the phone did charge up. It's actually dead at this point, but you could see that it was charging. And it's like I say, it's the quality of this is very nice. It's definitely like a shoelace type of quality. And we'll leave a link in the description below to where you can buy this on Amazon. So as you see here, it is charging the device, and I can tell you afterwards that it actually did fully charge the device all the way to 100% with no problem. So if you're looking for something to have a versatile ability to charge, this might be the cable for you. Definitely consider subscribing, and thanks so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if this was helpful to you.